our students are deaf, light is their ears, because whatever you talk to them, they must be able to see it, because we use sign language. And without light, you cannot sign to them.
This is our second phase of installation. We are in central Uganda. We intend to install solars in 52 schools.
On behalf of the management of Wakiso Solar, partnership with Save the Children, we are privileged to bring this solar system.
We have been longing for it for so long.
Before, we used to suffer so much due to the load shedding in the country, and so it would even disturb me to read. Whenever power would go off, we would go to sleep instead of rising.
During the power cut-offs, we have really done nothing apart from stopping whatever we've been doing.
Of the many installations that we have done around the country, this time around, we came up with a school that is Wakiso Secondary School for the Deaf, where we found students using sign language, so it was very unique. We are also happy to install for them a solar suitcase.
So I saw the engineers during the installation. They first installed the panel up. Yes, the climbers installed it. Then they connected wires connecting to the panel. Then they connected to the system they have just given us, and then connected it to the battery. They have even showed us how it is used.
As a teacher, you find that as I plan my work and schedule time for this work to be handed in by these learners, it's already done in time.
Now we have solar lights. We can extend our preps. We can consult teachers, have discussions, and always do our classwork.
As we care solar, we hope that this solar will help our learners to study well, pass their exams, and help the community leaders to charge their phones.